Yeah, so there's an outer case just like this that goes on this side to close it, and this outer case is what spins, so this spindle will actually be fixed, and then the fan blades will be mounted on this outer case. And I just need to right here put a piece of metal. This actually goes, this scoots in more. But either way, I just need to put a metal band in here, so basically it'll extend this out, the metal band will, and when I put this other cover on, it'll seal it up. But this gap is a half an inch, but once I put that metal ring around here, it'll take up maybe 2 or 3/16 of an inch, and then that's what I'll be gluing my magnet to that band right here. And then once that's done, I can seal it up.